So, have you ever found yourself thinking, what's going to be the next big thing in apps? Well, in this explainer, we're diving headfirst into the most promising mobile app ideas for 2025. We're going to break down the huge trends that are shaping the future of apps, and hey, maybe even how you can get in on the action. All right, let's get into it. The billion-dollar app. It's the dream, right? But what does that even mean? Honestly, it's not just about the cash. It's about finding a real-world problem and solving it for millions and millions of people. So the real question is, what are the problems that are just begging for a solution in 2025? Let's find out. I mean, just think about your day. You probably use an app to wake up, one to check the weather, another to order coffee. They are literally woven into how we live. And because of that, the market is just bursting with opportunity. For 2025, the secret sauce isn't just having a cool idea. It's really understanding the massive trends that are pushing what people actually want, and more importantly, what they need. Okay, our first big trend is all about something we all crave: convenience. I mean, who doesn't want to save a little time and effort, right? This is where tech can be a total game changer. The apps that really take off, they're the ones that give us back our most valuable resource. You know, the one thing we can't make more of: time. You know that feeling? You're stuck in a ridiculous line, or you're driving in circles just trying to find a parking spot. It's all that little friction in our day that adds up and drives us crazy. The most brilliant apps are the ones that just smooth all that out. They take those annoying tasks and make them totally seamless, totally effortless. And look, this isn't just about getting food delivered anymore. The opportunity here is huge. Imagine an app that finds and pays for your parking spot in real time. That daily headache? Gone. Or think about one single app to control all the smart gadgets in your house. The possibilities are just endless. The trick is to find one of those common pain points and build a simple, amazing solution for it. So convenience is awesome, for sure. But what if an app could do more? What if it could help you live a better, more meaningful life? Well, that's the big idea behind our second major trend. We're talking about purpose-driven tech. This is where tech gets a conscience, you know? We're seeing this massive shift, especially with younger people. It's not enough for a product to just work anymore. People want to get behind brands that actually stand for something. They want to know their money is supporting companies that are trying to make a positive dent in the universe. And these examples, they just nail it. They create this perfect win-win. By connecting you with local farms, an app isn't just giving you a handy service, it's also boosting local communities and sustainable farming. These apps work because they tap into that deep desire we all have to make a difference for ourselves and for the world around us. Okay, convenience and purpose are huge, but now let's talk about the trend that is absolutely changing everything. And I need everything. This isn't just a new feature or another app category. This is a ground-up shift in how we even use technology. I am, of course, talking about the AI revolution. This quote really says it all, doesn't it? Generative AI, especially, has just exploded. It's now the engine behind some of the most exciting, mind-bendingly innovative apps out there. It's creating whole new worlds of possibility. Let's just use fitness as an example of how AI is turning things on its head. Remember the old way? A generic workout plan, guessing if your form was right, manually tracking everything? Yeah, those days are over. With an AI fitness coach, you get workouts that are actually personalized to you and adapt on the fly. You get instant feedback, and all your progress is tracked automatically. It is literally like having a world-class personal trainer in your pocket 24/7. And the potential for AI just goes on and on. Think about education that adapts to how each student actually learns, or tools that let literally anyone become an artist or a writer. AI is shaking up every single industry. It's not just about making things faster. It's about deep, meaningful personalization and just limitless creativity. So, we've seen the trends, we've seen the incredible opportunities. But how do you actually take a brilliant idea and make it real? That's what's next. It's time to go from inspiration to action. Okay, this is where it gets real. You've got that light bulb moment, you see the potential, but now what? The path forward can feel kind of overwhelming. But here's the good news. Those old barriers, like needing to be a coding wizard to build something, they're lower than they have ever been. And this is the magic key. No-code platforms are basically a superpower for creators and founders who aren't tech experts. They let you build a legit, powerful, fully functioning app with visual, drag-and-drop tools, no coding required. It's like having an entire dev team right at your fingertips. So here's the playbook, and it's actually pretty simple. Step 1, find a problem you actually care about solving. Step 2, pick one of those huge trends we talked about, convenience, purpose, or AI, and ride that wave. And 3, use these amazing, accessible no-code tools to build it. That's it. It's that straightforward. So the future really is in your hands. The tools are there, the trends are clear, and the opportunities are absolutely massive. Every single great app you use started as a simple idea to solve a problem. So the only question left is, what problem are you going to solve? Go out there and build something incredible.